thunderstorm warning for north central Brazos County in southeastern Texas, northwestern Madison County in southeastern Texas, until 7:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:07 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles north of Curtin, or 17 miles north of Bryan, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Normandy. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The storm is producing large hail. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.